Most seven-figure business owners are dying, and they don't even realize they're paying for it.
I was in a mastermind last month with over 100 business owners, most doing 7 figures, some hitting 8, all very successful by any external measure. And 97 of them looked like they were dying. Stressed, overweight, exhausted, running on caffeine and sheer willpower.
I call that the dumb tax. It's the price most entrepreneurs pay for success. They sacrifice their health, their energy, their freedom, believing that's just how it works at this level.
More growth equals less life. Burnout is the cost of achievement. But here's the truth. That's not strategy. That's stupidity.
You've been sold a lie, a Faustian bargain. You think you have to choose health or wealth, success or life, scale or sanity. So you grind, you hustle, you work 80-hour weeks, and you tell yourself it's temporary. Once I hit this number, I'll slow down. Once I build a team, I'll take care of myself. But that day never comes. And meanwhile, you're waking up at 3 a.m. feeling shame about what you've let slip. You're heavier than you've ever been. You avoid mirrors. You contemplate whether climbing 10 flights of stairs would actually kill you. You're trapped as the bottleneck in your own business. Your company has a ceiling, and that ceiling is you.
Here's what nobody tells you. Your biggest constraint isn't strategy. It's not market conditions. It's not the ability to read a P&L. It's your personal capacity. Poor health caps your energy. Poor mindset sabotages your strategy. And you're the bottleneck in your business, and you'll never scale beyond you. That's the truth. And here's the better truth. It's solvable. When you optimize your health and mindset first, when you treat your vitality as your ultimate wealth multiplier, your business scales faster, easier, and more sustainably. Success isn't a trade-off. It's an integration. The top 1% of entrepreneurs don't sacrifice their bodies for their business. They integrate health, wealth, mindset, and business simultaneously. And that's what we do at Valentum Nexus. Here's the thing. This isn't for everyone. We only work with business owners who've turned the corner, who know something has to change, who are ready to commit and do the reps. Looking for people who want magic fairy dust or quick fixes. We're looking for elite entrepreneurs who are serious about integration. If that's you, and you're tired of paying the dumb tax, and you're ready to build an enterprise that creates freedom while you reclaim your health, then keep watching. This binge series is going to show you exactly how integration works, the proof, the system, the results. And at the end, if you're ready, we'll map out your 90-day integration roadmap together.
If this manifesto resonates with you, if you're done choosing between health and wealth, DM me the word manifesto and I'll send you the full binge series. Or just keep watching. Video 2 is my origin story, how I discovered that the CEO and the product of all 4 pillars. Let's stop the dumb tax. Let's integrate.